Hello everyone. Today's date is December 27th, 2020. It is currently 1:49 a.m. and I'm just walking around this little area, really just to show you how this area looks after Christmas, and also just to show you how it looks at 27 degrees Fahrenheit. It is pretty cold out for Georgia right now, and that's really why I'm doing this. I'm really wanting to talk to you about how cold it is based on the live chat I did throughout yesterday going into tonight. It is in the 30s through 50s in Florida. It is around the same temperature in New York, 25 degrees Fahrenheit, with wind, and actually colder than it was when it was snowing there. Right now in Georgia, there is no wind at all. There's no wind. So yes, it is a Sunday morning. It's not really Saturday anymore. I'm not going to make this video anything over 10 minutes, so I could just go ahead and upload it right away. It's more of a personal vlog, more so than the high frame rate videos I usually do, and kind of almost like a live stream. Since I'm going to be premiering it, I'll just go ahead and premiere it later on today, and everybody can join the chat. I'm actually wearing combat boots, but I've worn them a lot, so it's not hurting my feet like it was when I first brought them. And a lot of people apparently go through that problem when they're buying combat boots, on a side note. But here you go. Merry Christmas still. Like Walk, Ride, Fly said, it's still a whole week of Christmas, and even into the new year by a few days. I think the Three Kings or something like that, it ends in early January 5th, I think. So there you have it. I'm just gonna walk down Henry Boulevard slightly and end the stream, or end the premiere, end the video. So I actually got a gift card for Christmas, and I'm really thankful for that. That gift card is going to help me buy a new laptop, hopefully, off of Amazon. Hopefully. So it is really dark over here. Popeyes is closed. All the restaurants and shops are closed. That's the only car on the road. There is another one. So there's some traffic, but barely. What I find surprising is that New York, by the time I got off of Walk, Ride, Fly stream, was kind of looking like this. But I'm gonna give a shout out to Walk, Ride, Fly for feeding the homeless tonight. That was a really courageous and wonderful act you did, Walk, Ride, Fly. That was absolutely amazing. I am still stunned at that right now. Walk, Ride, Fly. That was absolutely amazing, and congratulations to you for that, and congratulations on your year of your channel, for my channel. I've had this for, I created it in 2013, but I actually started uploading in late 2014, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it, so I started uploading more in 2015, but I really started uploading in 2014. So I established it technically in 2014, more so than when I created it in 2013. It's more of a complicated story for mine, and I started rendering videos by 2016 and 2017, definitely 2017, early 2017. And yeah, I've been rendering videos and uploading high frame rate videos for YouTube to play it back on YouTube since mid 2019. That was I believe, or actually early 2019. That was April 2019, I believe, where I first published my first 120 FPS video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this quick premiere. It's 27 degrees Fahrenheit, -3 Celsius. So it is cold for Georgia, but thankfully there is no wind. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off and get some rest. Thanks everyone for stopping by this chat whenever I premiere this. Thank you for stopping by. I'm really ready to live stream shortly. I really need to get a smartphone. I don't have a smartphone right now. The other one I have doesn't work. I used it on my bike and it's pretty much used up. I brought it in 2016 and it was cheap when I brought it. I wish you could also see the stars right now. They're shining bright, but not so much over here. But there's a spot where all of them are shining. So good night everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Have a great day and have a great night. See you next time everyone. Take care.